Hello. Today we are looking at this Acer Nitro that's been sent in for repair. It has no power. When you plug the charger in, the light on the charger turns off. This means there's probably a short on the board, just like almost every other Acer Nitro we get for repair. It's probably on the 19-volt rail. Let's start by finding that. There it is. And like I suspected, it's short to ground. To make sure I'm not wasting any of my time, I'm going to quickly measure the resistance between the 19-volt rail and the CPU rails. That measures 1.7 ohms, that's normal. If we had 0 ohms, then I'd suspect one of these CPU MOSFETs had failed, killing the CPU. Ugh, what in the game of goo is that? I think there's some kind of fluid damage. I'm going to pretend I didn't see that and go check the VRAM supply resistance. That measures 102 ohms, so we have some happy VRAM. The GPU core is low resistance, but that's normal because it draws a lot of power at low voltage. Okay, back to the liquid damage. It appears the 19-volt input to this regulator has seen some liquid. Maybe that's a problem? What's the resistance on its output? 29 ohms to ground. That's probably okay. So it doesn't look like the liquid has caused any problems. We can clean that up later. Ah, there's some more. Maybe I should check the back of the board. And some more liquid damage there too, but it's not in an important area. Okay, will the short circuit reveal itself to us with visual inspection? Nope, it's winning this game of hide and seek. Time to feed the short circuit some power and see if it reveals itself. Today I've chosen to use the Cheapskate's thermal camera. I'm just touching the motherboard, see what gets hot and praying it doesn't burn me. So that little MOSFET gets hot. I bet that's dead. This guy's the first MOSFET on the board. It connects the charger to the 19-volt rail. It doesn't connect to any grounds, so there's no way this can be our main problem. It's going to need replacing, but we can take care of that later. Let's figure out what's shorting to ground. I think something else must be getting hot somewhere. Oh, would you look at that? It's a sneaky little cap just next to the regulator. I'm going to quickly pop that off. Oh wow, poor little guy's cracked under the pressure. Rest in peace. Quickly measure that again, and the short is gone. Let's grab something to replace it with, and whilst I'm here, I'm going to give the regulator a quick massage, just to make sure it's feeling relaxed enough to provide some voltage. Okay, that's done. Let's give it a whirl. Looks like the board's getting power.
Nice.
Before I forget about it, I should double check that hot little MOSFET. Oh yeah, that measures 0 ohms. Rip little guy. Because it shorts from the 19-volt input to the 19-volt output, the board still turns on. But because it's short, the charging IC is going to get confused and refuse to charge the battery. Just quickly drop a new MOSFET on. Pop it back together. And she works. Just check it's charging the battery. Yeah, it's all good. Before I send the laptop out into the world, I'm going to give the board a quick ultrasonic to take care of the crusties, clean the fans, and plonk some new thermal paste on. Pop me an up thumb if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see me burn my hand in the search for more short circuits. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.